Are you struggling with hooded eyes? Whenever you wear eyeliner, it is not just right. It either gets smudged, or when you open your eyes, your eyeliner does not look that good as much it looks when your eye is closed. So if this problem arises, it means you have hooded eyes like mine. When it comes to hooded eyes, eyeliner is the devil. So how to wear eyeliner properly on hooded eyes? Well, in this video, this is what I am going to show you. Hello everyone, my name is Veda and welcome back to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V. I'm a beauty and fashion blogger and also a self-taught makeup artist. My entire life, I used to think that I'm wearing the eyeliner wrong because whenever I'm opening my eyes after wearing the eyeliner, it just gets smudged and it does not look good. Until recently, I have figured out that my eyes are hooded. Before showing you how to wear eyeliner on hooded eyes, let me show you what happens if I wear eyeliner like the non-hooded eyes people wears. Eyeliner which I am using today is from Faces Canada Magnetic Eyes, and if you want to know how good this eyeliner is, I do made a short video a few while ago and in which I have shown how long lasting this eyeliner is. So let's just try this eyeliner. So I'm going to apply it in the normal way. Like I'm going to close my eyes, then I'm going to draw a thick line and then I'm going to draw a wing which looks really beautiful on regular eyes. But you know, my eyes are hooded, so now you can see what's going to happen when I open my eyes. It looks really bad and oh, check that. My eyeliner is all smudged. All my efforts are wasted. So if you don't want your effort to be wasted like this, then do as I say. Look straight, do not close your eyes. Then draw a tiny wing on the outer corners of your eyes while looking straight. And also draw a tiny wing on the inner corners of your eyes. And after that, draw a very thin line above your eyes. This is an everyday eyeliner style. I'm going to look straight again and I'm going to try this second type of eyeliner. If you want dramatic wings for party makeup, this is the type of eyeliner you need for hooded eyes. Just draw large wings on inner and outer corners of your eyes while looking wide open. Now fill in the wing with your liquid eyeliner or gel eyeliner or stick eyeliner, whichever you are comfortable with. Now whenever you close your eyes, you can see there is a gap. But don't worry about the gap, because when your eyes are wide open, this gap will be barely visible and this beautiful patterned wing look really beautiful when you close your eyes. Now after completely filling up the wing with your eyeliner, draw a very thin line on the upper part of your eyes. Don't make it thick, otherwise you know what will happen. It will get totally smudged. I'm correcting the edges of the wings a bit and then it's good to go. So there you go. This is my dramatic winged eyeliner for hooded eyes. Today's third and final type of eyeliner for hooded eyes, which I am going to show you now. Draw a triangle starting from upper part of your eyes and lower part of your eyes on the outer corner, of course, and then fill it with the eyeliner. Then draw another triangle, of course comparatively smaller, on the inner corners of your eyes, doing the same thing starting from upper and lower corner of your inner eyes. Then draw a thin or a thick line on the lower part of your eyes and a very thin line on the upper part of your eyes to finish this look. You will see this type of eyeliner is very famous among TikTokers and influencers these days. So there you go, you guys. These are the three type of eyeliners which looks really good on hooded eyes. If you try this eyeliner, then don't forget to show me and don't forget to tag me in your picture. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, comment and share, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, The Real Queen V, for more makeup hacks, makeup tutorial, fashion inspirations and more videos like this. Bye guys, see you next time.